So first, what is the 4% rule? The 4% rule is a guideline that suggests how much money you can safely withdraw from your retirement savings each year. The rule is based on the idea that you should withdraw 4% of your savings the first year of retirement, and then adjust the amount upwards each subsequent year to account for inflation. The rule is generally considered to be a safe way to ensure that your retirement savings will last throughout your lifetime. While there is no guarantee that the 4% rule will always work, it can be a helpful tool for planning purposes. For example, if you have $1 million in retirement savings, you could expect to withdraw $40,000 the first year of retirement. If you assume an inflation rate of 3%, you would then adjust your withdrawals accordingly, withdrawing $41,200 the second year, $42,436 the third year, and so on. While this rule isn't foolproof, it can be a helpful starting point for retirement planning. In order to make the 4% rule really work for you, ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, how long will you be in retirement? One of the first things you need to figure out is how long you will be in retirement. This will help you determine how much money you will need to withdraw each year to maintain your lifestyle. There are a number of factors that can influence your retirement timeline, including your health, your life expectancy, and whether or not you plan to continue working in some capacity. Once you have a good idea of how long you anticipate being in retirement, you can start to calculate how much money you will need to have saved in order to make the 4% rule work for you. With a little bit of planning, you can ensure that you have the resources you need to enjoy a comfortable retirement. Number 2, will your investment portfolio continue to grow? When you're getting ready to retire, there's a lot to think about. One of the most important things to consider is whether your investment portfolio will continue to grow. For some people, this is a worry-free process. They have a solid plan and they know their investments will continue to perform well. Others, however, are less confident. They may have seen their portfolio go up and down over the years and wonder if it'll be enough to last throughout retirement. The truth is, there is no easy answer when it comes to retirement planning. It's important to do your research and figure out what will work best for you. With careful planning and a bit of luck, you can ensure that your portfolio will continue to grow and support you during retirement. Before I move on to the last question, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 3, will you make changes to your spending? One of the most important aspects of retirement planning is figuring out how your spending will change. If you start to splurge and spend more and more each year, then it's likely that your retirement savings won't last. However, if you lower your spending when the market is down, it's likely your money will last you a lot longer in retirement. If you're used to living a certain way, it can be tough to make adjustments, especially if your income has taken a hit. However, if you want your retirement savings to last, it's crucial to be mindful of your spending. One way to do this is to start tracking your expenses and see where you can cut back. Even small changes can add up over time and help you stretch your savings further. Another option is to consider downsizing your home or making other changes that will lower your monthly expenses. By being proactive about your spending, you can help ensure that your money lasts as long as you need it to. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.